In your chapter, The Illusion of Control, you state that we have very little control other than our next breath. Why, if that's the case, why do so many of us look to the future to solve our problems? When this happens, I'm going to have no more of these issues.
Well, the reality is that our minds are living one of two places most of the time. You notice that your body is always present moment. Your body's present in the moment. But where is your mind a lot of the time? It's either in the future, obsessing or worrying about something, or it's in the past thinking about something. It's very seldom that your mind is in the present moment. And the truth is, you don't have any control over what's going to happen tomorrow. You don't have, and you certainly don't have any control over what happened yesterday. You can reframe it and see it differently. But this moment, the present moment, is the only place you have a modicum of control over anything. And you know what that is, Dan? That's
What?
your next thought. And even beyond that, it's even more closely associated to being is your next breath. That's about all you have control over. And even that, if you try not to breathe, you'll go unconscious and you'll breathe automatically. That's how incredible the intelligence is within us that knows how to sustain us. So, does that make sense to you, what I'm saying?
Yes, absolutely.
So we fear that tomorrow is going to bring such and such and such and such, and in that process, we cast our mind into the future where we have no control over anything. So in this moment is where you have, the one place you do have control is your thoughts about the future, your thoughts about the past. And the more that you can let go of those and be in the present moment, you realize you're creating your tomorrow today. You're creating your tomorrow in this moment by your current beliefs. And if you're obsessed about what happened in the past, you're filled up with resentment or concern, or you're projecting yourself into the future, worrying and obsessed about it. We live in a universe that operates by the law of cause and effect. We're always becoming cause for our own effect. And if our mind is out there conjuring up things to be fearful of and worry about, the universe, which only knows one word, yes, is automatically supporting us and creating that reality. So bring your mind back. Be here now. Be present in the moment. That's where your point of power is. That's where your control is. You think you can control the people driving on the freeway in the next lane next to you? Do you think you can control the economy or the weather? Of course not. You don't have control over anything. The illusion is we want to have control, and so we obsess about it, and that causes stress and grief and all kinds of things. This is why meditation is so important, because it puts you in the present moment.